What are you doing in there? Did you find a slipper? Did you find a slipper? Well, come on. You're going to get up here? You did it! Oh no. Almost. What did he do? Oh, you're trying hard. You are trying so hard. Oh, all that effort. Oh, boy. There's that slipper, boy. What are you doing with the slipper? I'll just sit on him. So these are the 3 silver boys. 6 weeks old. Puppy! Puppy! Oh, hello. Hi, pretty. Where are the boys? Go find your brothers. Where are they? Yuck. Hi. You shave your face, huh? You just shaved your face. No? You got to shave the other boy's face. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, you did it! Oh, the green boy did it. Hello. Come on. Come on. Come on.